We'll guide you through how to use Stripe Point of Sale to streamline your transactions. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe dashboard on your desktop. Once you're logged in, head over to the Point of Sale section from the menu on the left. Here, you'll see an option to set up a new POS terminal. Click on Set up Terminal. You'll be prompted to choose a hardware device from the list provided by Stripe. If you already have a device, select it and confirm the details. Then, configure your location by entering the business address where the terminal will be used. This helps with tax calculation and compliance. Once your location is set, you can customize the payment settings, such as enabling tipping options and setting default currency. Next, link your bank account to ensure smooth fund transfers. In the Payments tab, configure whether you want to accept all card types or specific ones. Now, download the Stripe Terminal app onto your device. Open the app and log in using your Stripe credentials. Pair your hardware device via Bluetooth or USB, following the on-screen instructions. Once connected, run a test transaction to ensure everything is working smoothly. You can also set up user roles in the dashboard, allowing staff to access the POS system with different permissions. This is crucial for managing sales and keeping track of transactions. Remember, with Stripe POS, you can view sales reports and customer insights right from your dashboard. This makes it easy to monitor your business performance in real time. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.